Hello guys! So welcome to my channel, Sir G Math TV. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, pakihit na ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para laging updated sa aking next video lesson. Our lesson for this day is all about the application of variation. In our previous lesson, different types of variation were illustrated. This time, we will apply the knowledge of different types of variation in solving real-life situation. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating paksang aralin sa hapong ito, so magkaroon lamang tayo ng konting review dun sa ating mga past lesson. So when we say direct variation, so when the other quantities is increases, the other quantities is also increases. When the other quantities is decreases, the other quantities is also decreases. When it comes to inverse variation, so babalikan natin yung inverse variation. If one quantity is increases, the other quantity is decreases. And when the other quantity is decreases, the other quantity is increases. When it comes to joint variation, it is a direct variation with two or more quantities. And then when it comes to combined variation, it is the combination of direct and inverse variation. Real life situation example of direct variation. So as a previous example, you're going to buy chocolate. So the total cost of the chocolate depends upon the number of chocolate you buy. The price of the chocolate per pieces is called the constant of variation. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng isang chocolate. Kung halimbawa ang halaga ng chocolate ay 3 pesos, so we're going to pay 3 pesos. When you buy 2 pieces of chocolate, so babayaran mo doon is 6 pesos. Kung bibili ka ng 3, 9 pesos. Kung bibili ka ng 4, 12 pesos. So depends the number of the chocolate you buy. Okay, so let's proceed to example of the inverse variation. Travel tayo, pupunta tayo sa isang lugar. At the same distance, the distance ng bahay nyo papunta dun sa eskwelahan. Let's say for example, 1 kilometer. Mentras bumabagal yung iyong takbo, mas matagal yung oras ng paglalakbay mo. At mentras bumibilis naman yung pag-travel, mas malumiliit yung time of consuming mo dun sa may distance, at the same distance na pupuntahan mo. I will show you some example on how to solve or apply the variation in our real-life situation. Example, translate the relation as the equation using the given variable and k as the constant of variation. Number 1, the force F of attraction between two bodies varies jointly as the weight W of the two bodies and inversely as the square of the distance t between them. So first we're going to write the equation of variation. Yung sabi dyan, so the force F, so ibig sabihin, so we have F equals, so attraction between two bodies varies jointly as weight W of the two bodies. So ibig sabihin, so F equals, so K W, and inversely as the square, sabi dyan, as the square of the distance between them. So we have over the square. Another, example number 2. The volume B of a regular triangular pyramid varies jointly as the altitude h and the square of one side s of the base. So sabi dyan, so the volume B, so sabi volume B, so we have the volume of the rectangular pyramid. So we have B equals regular triangular pyramid varies jointly as the altitude. So we have the altitude and the square of one side. So we have B equals K H. So sabi dyan, varies jointly as the square of one side S. So we have S square. So B is equal to KH S squared. Next, number 3. So the area of a triangle varies jointly as the base and the height. Ibig sabihin, so area of a triangle, so we have area is equal to varies jointly. So we have K varies jointly as the base and the height. So let's say for example, yung base natin, ang gagamitin natin letter is B. And then yung height naman is the letter H. So area is equal to KBH. So let's proceed to computation. Example, for a given gas constant temperature, the pressure P varies inversely as the volume B. If P equals 6 when B equals 24, find P when B equals 36. So, una natin gagawin, so write natin yung equation ng variation. Sabi dyan, for the given gas constant temperature, the pressure P, sabi dyan, pressure P, ito, varies inversely as the volume B. So, we have P equals K over B. After nun, write natin, so we're going to find the constant. So, paano natin kukunin yung constant? By substitution. So, kunin natin yung first and second given. So, yung sabi dyan, when P equals 6 and when B equals 24. So, by substitution, write muna natin. So, P equals K over P. So, yung value ng P natin, so we have 6 equals value ng K, so unknown, K over B, 24. Tapos, whole number, tapos ito fraction, parehasin natin. Gawin natin pareha silang fraction. Paano gagawin? So, mag-create tayo ng denominator na 1. So, pagkayari nun, so we have 6 over 1 equals K over 24. Cross multiply. So, 1 times K, so we have K equals 6 times 24. So, 6 times 24. So, K is equal to 6 times 24 is equal to 144. So, ito yung value natin constant. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin, so, find P when B equals 36. So, ngayon, we solve for P. Okay, since yung value ng B natin, sabi dito kanina sa may given, so, find P when B equals 36. So, yung value ng ating B is equal to 36. So, balik tayo sa original equation by substitution. So, we have P equals K over B. So, okay, yung value ng K natin dito, so nasolve natin kanina, so we have 144. Balik lang natin, so we have P equals, so 144 over 36. So, P is equal to 4. Nagets ba? Check nyo mabuti.